Hello everyone. In this MockFlow Idea Board AI tutorial, we'll learn how to create a sales process flowchart for a company in under 2 minutes. Log into your MockFlow account, go to your dashboard, hover over New Idea Board, and select Generate with AI, and enter your prompt. In this example, we are going to enter a prompt describing a sales process flowchart for a B2B company. Then, click Generate. Your AI-generated flowchart will appear instantly. You can rename the project by clicking the title and save your changes. Work solo or with your team to adjust shapes, arrows, borders, layout, and more. MockFlow's Idea Board makes collaboration easy, so everyone can edit and refine the AI-generated flowchart together in real time. That's it. You've created a complete B2B sales process flowchart using MockFlow Idea Board AI in just 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.